What?
I want to know what we're shooting. Go. Do your job.
I want to know too because I'm not sure.
Like, Jess didn't tell us what we're shooting, so we're still waiting to find out.
I, until about 40 minutes ago, didn't even know where it was going.
Oh yeah, I didn't give him the address. I forgot. I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine.
Smooth move.
Okay, so the concept for today is going to revolve around you guys using certain props for your pictures.
Okay.
So we have to use specific props.
Specific props. I have some very weird items that you guys have to have in your pictures.
Okay.
So we're gonna dodgeball pick. So you guys will pick your first item, and then the other photographers will pick your second item that you have to use.
Oh, okay.
Okay, cool.
So you can sabotage. You can sabotage the person. You can give them a really bad item.
Is it like a competition, or are we just like all having? We're supposed to compete. Is that like the thing?
I don't know. Life is a competition, though. So.
It kind of is.
If you guys want to have an alliance and take one other person out.
What does that mean?
Alliances, like you and I can be like, hey,
like, let's do it against Jess.
Let's
That's
murder
That's
her.
exactly where I went.
I'm saying like
Boys against girls.
But there's only one of me.
Yeah.
So you guys have 5 minutes to get your final shot. Of course it's time.
Okay, cool.
It's no fun if you just have all the time in the world.
Okay.
You know, because I only have this place sell for anyway.
5 minutes is good though.
5 minutes is good. Yeah. Okay guys, so for today I will be using my 5D Mark III with my 24 to 70 lens. Both are Canon. Mark, what are you using?
I'm shooting on my Nikon D750, and right now I have the 85 on it. I might switch it to the 50 depending on the props, I guess. So we'll see.
Cool.
I'm gonna be shooting with my Canon 5DSR, and I have a 24 to 105 lens on it, and I may, just depending, switch it to an 85 prime that I have.
I just realized we didn't introduce you guys. Okay, so for today we have photographers John Sams.
Hi guys.
Mark Singerman.
Sup?
And then we have our model Paulina. How do you feel about us using props with you?
Well, if you guys remember me from Jessica's last video when they didn't tell me for 6 minutes that they were ignoring me on purpose, I didn't know what to expect, and likewise today, I really don't know what's gonna happen. I hope I survive. But yeah, content is gonna be on point, so let's do this.
Let's go. Come on team, let's go.
Yeah.
You like to torture this fool.
I love Paulina, she's hilarious. Welcome guys.
Are we good?
Come on in.
Okay.
Don't act like you didn't see. Wait, over here. Mark, where are you going?
He's going all the way around.
Oh my
Just
god.
doing a lap.
Okay guys, here it is.
Are you serious?
Where did you
Windex?
We're gonna pick who goes first. The professional and mature way. Rock, paper, scissors. Who wants to go first?
Rock, paper, scissors. I beat you both.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, Mark goes first.
I want this one.
Okay.
You rock.
I'm gonna go with my heart. We're gonna go with this weird 9-foot glass.
I guess that leaves me. You know, I do like the Windex bottle. We look good together.
She's choosing the Windex.
I'm choosing the Windex. Okay, and now we're gonna choose for you guys.
No, what do we want for Mark?
Okay, what do we want?
Well,
I want to give them like maybe like the bowling pins.
Okay, pick any prop you want, and then I
The
will.
bowling. Wait.
I will use it.
The bowling pins. What about the plastic?
too nice.
Plastic bag. What is he gonna do with that? And it's not his aesthetic. The bowling pins are neon. That's his
True.
aesthetic.
Nothing.
Bag.
Plastic bag.
Plastic bag.
Plastic bag.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's actually the one I wanted.
He's in that about every item.
He did.
Oh
He was gonna be happy regardless.
Now I have something to carry my lemons.
What are we picking for John? What is he? What about this?
I mean,
Let's see his facial expression.
hold on.
No.
Hold it up to his face and see if it changes. Go, John.
I refuse.
Okay, what would you least like to have in this? Out of this?
I'm not telling you, so you can pick it for me.
This is really.
Bowling pins. Yes.
Let's just do the bowling pins then. This feels nice though.
I wanted these.
Is that what we're gonna say?
I thought you wanted the stickers.
Okay, and then you guys have to pick for me.
Yep. You keep trying to push this on everyone.
Yeah,
so
Jessica, this is yours.
There you go.
There you go.
You get the Monsters Inc. Sickle cell, white blood cell thing.
You know what? I wanted this.
She just had fun. She just had fun with that.
Okay, your time starts now. You got 5 minutes.
something like this, where you're doing one of these, but you're like holding one of the lemons like this. Just stay in one position the whole time because I'm gonna lock focus on you. Cool.
Jessica and I's were a bit more on the sabotage side.
So now,
Really?
But-
I hate you guys.
Yeah, what about that ball, Jeff?
Smells like gasoline.
You can make it cool.
Then why don't you take it?
Girl, I got bowling pins.
I have beef with you guys.
a little bit in this way.
This is Mark's aesthetic.
This was the perfect prop for Mark.
When Jessica gives you lemons,
Hey guys, I have no idea going into this what I'm going to be doing. I think we're just going to work it out because the prop is really fun. It's something that's more like hands-on workable, so I think in the course of shooting, we'll see what we get. And honestly, feel free to like play around with it. It doesn't have to be in front of the eye. Yeah. I'm sweating.
Okay, so it's my turn. Okay, don't celebrate too much because I haven't gone yet, okay? Okay. Hello, Habib. We got the Windex. We're good to go. Here you go.
So then she told me off camera to drink it. So how much do I need to drink?
Stop.
Why are you lying to people?
You said she chose it because of the blue color, which I get. I love the color of windows.
it's great color. I maybe bring it toward the window though, so you can actually see it.
If it was me, I'd be like spraying it as a foreground.
That's what I would do.
Stand right.
Go
And like, put it up here.
Oh.
Oh my god.
That was hard.
I enjoyed it, but also it was difficult.
That was tough. I mean, I only ended up taking 8 photos in that 5 minutes.
I almost sprayed and prayed of just like shooting a ton.
But your prop allows you to do that.
Hey, you chose lemons.
So quickly was because, sorry, man, are you cool with this, by the way? I got all comfortable right now, like significantly more weight on you.
That's why I'm here.
Okay, so I had to beat you guys first,
Yeah.
which I accomplished on skill.
Yeah, you did.
Based on skill and psychology.
Ooh.
Okay, that's
Skill.
a great way to.
How did you feel about Windex?
I've grown to love it.
If you spray it like this, you get a little mist burn, like John was saying
I
that.
don't know if we should be spraying that in
That
there.
that was a cool idea.
In an enclosed
John had
space.
it.
Next round is going to be items that we picked out for you. For
Each
us,
other?
For each
Yeah.
other.
Yeah. Okay.
How we feeling about that? We good?
No, because you guys picked the one I didn't want.
Great.
You
I
Let's
said you wanted it.
I just said that, but I really don't know what I'm going to do with it.
I have
I lied.
neon bowling pins. I'm winning this round.
It's like the Joker. Yeah.
Did you say she looks like the Joker?
I'm good. I'm good this round. We're good. I'm a lot
She already knows
happier
what to do with it.
Boom.
She's like, well, obviously these go here.
Okay, guys, we're going to start the second round with the items that we don't particularly like. So let's go, guys.
That's true.
Go.
That's the truth.
Okay. I'm gonna be using this for my picture. And I don't know, I'm feeling good about it. We're gonna be positive and make this work.
Your lens.
She's a professional. I love that chair.
I've done this
How
before.
dare. We attempted to sabotage her.
Yeah, what are you gonna do with it?
Okay, the thing is she's working it already. Like I love the chair.
There's like only so much you can do with a prop like that. It's like, hold
It's
it
a
this way,
bump.
hold it that way, hold it this way.
The fact that she's using it in the wicker chair, the
Yeah, it's
wicker
just-
chair was a great choice.
Look how she's doing it.
Yeah.
This is actually going really well. I
Yeah,
love
3
it.
minutes, we're killing it.
We're good.
Yes!
I feel like you're that one, like the Grim Reaper telling me like when I'm gonna,
Minute 20.
like you have a minute 20 left.
So now we'll take paper bag.
We will take
or
paper
plastic
bag.
bag, same. And I'll wear like babushka. I speak Russian.
Oh wow.
Да.
Little Mishka.
Отлично. I speak Russian.
Slow down.
Я знаю говорить по-русски.
You're Russian?
I'm Russian.
Demonetized.
Since when?
Since I was born.
I think a few months. at least.
Disclaimer, I am Russian, so I can make
Привет.
Russian. Привет. Хорошо, как ты?
So basically my idea is we will use the fan and we'll have you kind of, this will be blowing against your face. You'll be standing like where I'm at. And then you can kind of like be coming out like with like a intense angry face, like you're bursting out of the bag kind of thing. And then we'll just see how it goes.
It looks very like birthy, you know?
What can you really do with a plastic bag, you know? Do like that? Well, don't suffocate.
What are you doing to her?
I'm not doing anything to her. You can
What
place
can
it
you
however
do
you
with a
want.
plastic bag other than suffocate?
So, but like, this is up to your acting skills.
My acting skills?
For real.
Alright.
Okay, so let me get. So come to your right.
Fashion.
Yeah, and it's almost like I really want that. Yeah. Yeah. Well, maybe not laughing, but.
Welcome to Gossip Corner with John and Jessica.
I think we really were successful in giving him the worst item.
I don't know. I love a plastic bag. I would have been happier with the plastic bag than the bowling pins.
We're good at sabotaging. He's suffering.
He is. He's
And we love it. We live for it.
He's coming up with some ideas, and I'm loving it.
I'm afraid she's gonna need to like go see a doctor after this. Like,
Well, it's the more extreme he goes with the poses, the more the bag rips in half. So he's
running-
not gonna have a bag.
he's running out of the bag right now.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, actually.
I think we are the sabotage queens.
Yeah, perfect.
You have 30 seconds left.
You're warning.
Time
You're
is up.
done.
So this is good news for Paulina. You know who's next? I dubbed thee John.
Wait, I get to popcorn someone though, right?
The one person left.
Yeah. I popcorn John.
Pop.
And can I knight you?
Corn. So Duke of the Baggett.
Sir Duke of the Baggett. Would I then be Bilbo Baggins?
Oh! That's it. We're done.
Oh my god.
Generalized idea.
Quantum
I'm just gonna
music.
have you living your life with these.
Okay.
He's getting like so many different shots that I know he's gonna have something good. Everyone would have hated my photo if I did not. You guys gave me the bowling pins. So
You
it
said
worked.
you wanted them.
Yeah, it worked. I didn't want those. I really didn't want those or the bag. I wanted the sunglasses.
We were gonna give you the sunglasses.
I know, but that's what I want. All right, your time's up, bruh.
Okay, so that's the end of the challenge. How did you guys do for the second round?
I felt pretty good about it because she did so good. Like, well, so well. Like, she really used the bag.
Used the bag.
She really used that bag. You know, I don't know how, but like she came up with this. I think it's her Russian roots that really came into play.
Telling
there.
you,
Yeah.
I'm telling you, we take bags and we use them to
Those-
every purpose that there can possibly be. a
Those
purpose.
Russian models, dude, they're innovative.
We live in bags, we take bags, we kiss in bags, we eat food in bags, we just live
You
in
wear
bags.
baggy pants.
Honestly, you can do anything in a bag.
All the pressure to pose doesn't have to fall onto you all the time, you know? I mean, it's collaborative.
Mhm.
If you would have hired someone different for this, like, we would have had a different product, you know?
Definitely.
Fully.
Yeah.
So a lot of it is about the model too, you know. They are professional models, they know how to pose and everything. So, I mean, I honestly appreciate you guys so much. You make our job so much easier. So thank you, you did amazing.
We're appreciated for one.
I love you guys.
Credit your models. Always credit
Credit
the
your
models.
models. Credit the people who do makeup and hair
Everything.
as well. Incredible
Jacqueline B
assistance.
makeup, by the way. Thank you,
Amazing.
girl. You hooked it up today.
We would love to thank our amazing photographers for joining us on this challenge. Don Sams,
Hey guys.
Mark Singerman, and we would love to thank our amazing model, because without her we wouldn't have this video, Paulina.
Yeah, we wouldn't.
Thank you guys. Also, I'm thinking of starting a channel now thanks to this girl. She inspired me, and the last video, you guys were just so awesome. Subscribe. Paulina Shafir is my link, and it'll be in the description of this video, so check it out.
If you want to live this experience along with us, just turn your AC off for a bit.
Oh yeah, turn your
Yeah,
AC off in the
definitely.
middle of summer.
We want to be hot together. We want to sweat together. That's collaboration.
Real quick, you guys, let us know what item you guys like best, which photos you guys like the most, and leave all your thoughts below in the comments. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.
See you guys.
Bye.
Thanks. Sarah,
Oh my gosh, no, this is the YouTube thumbnail for the Why We're Not Friends Anymore video.
No, you guys gotta be back to back.
Yeah.
But I'm just like.
Mark's in the back, like, scheming.
Mark's living his life in the background, and we're just like Disney
Sad as
Channel
hell.
enemies with a
I
plastic.
need
Dude,
it-
I laughed
need
so
a
hard
new
when you
plastic
said
bag.
I just come up with YouTube video names now.
Yeah, it's
That's
all I
your new
think
job.
about.
That's all you do from now
Yeah,
on.
just YouTube video titles.
Me and my friend just text them back to each other.
Models out there, if you have these 2 bowling pins, you gotta live your life to the fullest, and you gotta take them and you gotta put them where they need to be. And that
You're
could
gonna be good.
in your heart, or on the head, or by the ear, or the eyes.